Oh no! Ah! I got captured by the ladybug. No!
Let me take you on the road. One family on a throne. 'Cause we got it. We got treasures and more than shit we got.
Hey treasure hunters, welcome back to the beach house! Today we are with the Tannerites and Carl and Ginger family! And we are going to be playing Storming Area 51. We got to find the alien over here. Take a look at our alien.
Oh, but the men in black.
The men in black who are guarding her.
Oh, 4 men in black. This is gonna be tough.
But we are all going to be storming together to try and find the alien and get it out of Area 51 without getting attacked. Guys ready? Okay, we are outside right now. The alien's going to be hiding any second now.
Don't peek through the windows.
I want to peek through the windows.
Are they making like a strategy?
I don't know, but
We see the man. We see the alien. Run! Oh no, the men in black saw us.
Oh no, they're watching us. They're watching. Ah! Okay, so what are you guys' strategies? You know this house really well.
Get in, find the alien, get out.
Good idea.
No, get in, hide, find the alien, get the alien,
Ooh.
get out.
Even better. What's your idea?
Look through all the more difficult hiding spots because I know where they are first before the
sneaky.
easier
So you're the one to follow them. Okay, good.
Use the classic tactic, you get in, you Naruto run, find the alien, the Naruto
Yes.
run. That's how
That's it. Hey, if we all Naruto run, they can't catch all of us, right? That's the idea.
That's another strategy. If you always have an escape plan, so go in a big open space and chase them and then get out of the room.
Yes.
I think at least 2 people should be running around in this area, trying not to get caught, distracting them, while everyone else goes to try to find the alien and then just book it out.
Okay, that's a good
There should
idea.
at least be 5 people doing that, so that they don't catch everyone.
That's a good idea. Okay, are you ready?
Oh
Oh no, they're closing the windows. No alien hidden yet. Oh, I can see him in black. I found an open window. Here's the raiding crew. We didn't have a couple million people as I expected, but this will do, I think.
We could all go to different doors. We don't all have to be right here.
That's a great idea.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
They're gonna expect us to come in right here, right?
Yeah.
You guys, they're gonna expect us to come
We should
in
separate,
right
split up.
We're gonna go.
Chaos. They'll never see us coming. In fact, I think I know just the room I want to come in through. There's a bathroom over here I can get in. Oh no. That was scary.
He's trying to make it so we can't film. We have to reveal the truth. We have to expose them.
Yeah.
They're hiding aliens. We know it. Aliens are real. We need the truth once and for all.
Oh no. It's another Men in Black. A shorter one.
We see an alien.
No.
Are you ready to go in there?
Yes. I
I'm
have to be ready to
go
run.
in there too.
Okay.
Kind of.
I have a dress.
Run.
Okay, Charlie, you gotta stay close
I
to mine.
have a dress.
Are walking around right here. I don't know how we're gonna get past them. This door might not be the best idea to get past the Men in Black because
They
they
look
are
like they
all
are
right
swarming.
here. They're swarming this door.
Let's go.
Well, we do have one benefit though. We can go faster
What?
than them. We do have.
Let's run this turn.
We do have one
Ellie,
benefit though.
Charlie, why don't you guys go ahead and go in as fast as you
They
can?
only walk.
We'll follow you guys.
Run,
Ready?
guys, run.
Run as fast
Set.
as we can.
Hurry.
Ready?
Run past
Go!
them.
Go, 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 go! Run, 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 run!
Go.
Come on, come on. They're in. You're in. Okay. We gotta find the alien. Is there anybody in here?
Yeah.
Okay. No alien though? Wait. Okay. I'm in the basement. You guys come and help me in the basement?
Yeah, we're helping you. Let's go.
Okay. So, there's this big room. Maybe the alien's hiding down here. I'm gonna look in this room right here. Can you guys help me take a look? Do you see an alien?
No, alien.
Let's turn on the light.
No.
Go look behind those boxes, guys.
Okay, we will. And don't turn off the light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing back there?
Yep.
How about up here? Maybe. Nope. Okay, this room's clean. Let's keep going, you guys. Good job. What about this room over here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
It's dark. Hey, the door. No, it's dark.
Is there an alien in here?
Yeah.
No alien behind these beds? Okay, I don't see anything in here. No alien in here. Okay, let's go back upstairs, you guys. Anybody in there?
No one.
Nobody? What about down here? No? Okay. Let's go. 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 Oh no, it's Az. Az is coming. Oh no, he's coming. Go.
Hi. Dad, hold me. My hand.
Okay, the men in black. It's the men in black. He's coming. Everybody hide. He's coming right for me. He's coming right for me. I gotta get out of here. Oh no, another men in black. Okay, on the other side. I'm safe. Oh, that was close. I almost got caught by the men in black. What are you doing outside?
Oh, I'm not supposed to be hiding.
This men in black's getting a little bit feisty.
I had two escapers that I caught them and they didn't play by the rules. So I'm like, I'm just gonna follow them out here then.
Okay. Hi. Are you going? No?
Johnny very good.
Shoot.
Do you like my disguise?
I love your disguise. You fit right in.
They don't know which team I'm playing for.
I don't either. What team are you on?
I'm on your team.
Okay, good.
Maybe.
How are they everywhere? These guys, these men in black are literally everywhere, no matter where I go. Who is it?
Room service.
Room service? I'll take a burger and fries, and all you have is candy? How about a lollipop? I'll take ice cream, sandwich, 2 of them, strawberry. I don't trust you. Thank you. Oh, it worked. Ah! Oh no.
So tired, man.
I think I got away from the men in black, and I stole his lollipop. Good, he found somebody else. Okay, where's the alien? Where's the alien?
I'm happening to wait for you.
I figured out a new strategy. They have to drag me to the door so this mom's not a I got you!
Okay. Oh no! No! I got captured by the No! I saw where they took the alien. But I have to go out.
Now we can run.
I know where the alien is. Did you guys see it? But I have to wait.
Oh,
Guys, Guys, come here. I know where the alien is. The alien just moved.
Where is it?
Everyone, look into the other room. So,
The alien's in the hallway.
okay, I have a better idea
seconds
since we
ago,
know
I
where
just
it's at. Okay, 30 seconds.
They're all upstairs. All of the men in black are upstairs.
They're definitely hiding the alien upstairs.
Everyone should go book it in so all the men in black can only get a certain amount of people. All the rest should grab the
The
alien.
most important thing about this is when you get caught by the men in black,
And not
go
let
as
the other
slow
ones
as
catch the
possible
person who's
back
grabbing the
outside,
alien. No, we
so that they have to drag you and take their time, and then the other ones can get the alien.
I think we should have you and me do the distracting with the super slow because we can do this super slow. And then
Michael, you have to get the alien because we have to get a good shot of it.
Okay.
James, do you want to help us do it?
No, I want to help like Stephanie. Oh,
Okay.
me too. Me too.
You ready, buddy? Okay.
I'll be your
Drag
protector.
as slow as possible.
Dad, I'll be your protector. Everyone, if you get caught, drag and
Us three going first.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Set.
Set.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, back and go. Let him get you, let him get you, let him get you. No, you're free, you're free.
You can't be in here. You can't be in here.
I'm really annoying Johnny.
You mean the men in black?
Yes, the men in black Johnny. He's like, you can't be in here. Get out of the room. Oh,
Did you get tagged? Did you guys all get tagged?
No, we're just going back and forth.
Okay.
was like dragging you. I'm like, come
Go as slow as possible to get caught. To back outside.
The alien keeps getting caught but then moving again because we can't get it out of the house.
Guys.
Good job, Becca. We got it! Good job, Becca!
You guys were all looking in the closet and I saw through the little crack and I was like, the alien's right there. I have to get it right now.
Good job!
Moving right past, and then the door opened just enough to where you could see it. Like, are you kidding me?
The best part was, Johnny was trying to push past me and grab you, and I was just taking up the whole hall.
I didn't know what he was doing. I'm like, why isn't he just grabbing one of us? We're all right here, and then everyone starts like screaming. I'm like, it's the alien!
Good job, alien. Good hiding spot. Oh. What a lovely smile. Who is the alien?
Big reveal.
Hold on 1 second, Gilly.
Who guessed it in the comments?
I am going to lose my job over this. Who is the alien? Who is
the real alien?
We may never know.
Huh?
Oh wait.
He slept the whole time?
He was awake for all of it except for when we caught the alien. I brought him outside and he was asleep. And that was like the most chaotic part too. Thank you guys for watching the beach house. It was so much fun and so hot outside. We're all sweaty now, but it was so much fun. I have an alien an alien is touching my face. Also, make sure to check out the Tannerites version of this video. You can see all of the behind the scenes, what you didn't see in this video, and check out Carl and Ginger's video. They just disappeared randomly. We don't know what they were doing, but it was a mystery. So anyways, check out both their channels and how's the game? Bye!
Thank you, Rory, for the ice cream picture. We love it.
Playground when all we hear is turn your